into the deep, roar back in time, soar through the land, and blast off beyond the stars. From oceans to outer space, from ancient dinos to today's amazing animals. Join me on an adventure to protect, conserve, and explore everything under the sun and moon. Hello everybody, my name is Saashwat. I'm 6 years old and I live in Scotland, and I'm here to talk to you about ocean conservation. Waterworld theory of life's origins. It suggests that many of the life forms on Earth originated from the ocean. Some life creatures evolved from ocean animals, like some evolved from Camrosaurus, others the abnormal shrimp, and most others trilobites. There was one called Pikaria that evolved into us humans. Southern world, one of the most affected places on Earth that is not the forests or the ocean. 71% of coral are dying because of ocean pollution. It's time we all come together to stop that, because the coral makes home for loads of other sea creatures. Here are 5 simple ways that we can help with ocean conservation. Number 1, clean the beaches. It is very important to clean the beaches because all that rubbish will flush into the sea. If you can't clean the beach, you can take it home. Number 2, use more eco-friendly products. Did you know that most of the sewers that we have in cities or towns lead to the ocean? Remember that you should use products that have less chemicals, so the number 2 toxic chemicals harm marine life as well. 3, reduce the use of single-use plastic and recycle as much as possible. 3, shop wisely. It is important to know where your seafood comes from and to make sure it is sustainable. 5, avoid exotic adventures, including the ocean, and let nature be. For example, swimming in the sun. It might seem like a nice thing to do on a holiday, but you're actually breaking nature's pattern, disturbing its ecosystem. So remember, let nature be.